Good morning, my little ducks. How are you today? I hope you are doing great. Today we have a new session and together we're gonna learn about new sound. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Let's find out together the sound of today is look here what this letter A and this letter I together they are going to make a new sound A. Repeat after me. A. A. Let's listen to the sound here.
A. A.
So one more time. A and I together, they are making new sound. A. A. And remember this rule. When two vowels come together, you should to pronounce the name of the first vowel. Look, the first vowel here is A. So the sound here is A. A. So A and I together making new sound A. And now let's start together with the first word here. Let's find out together. Look at this woman. She's looking at her watch and because she's waiting. Yeah, she's waiting her train. She's waiting her train. Wait. The word wait here. How do you pronounce it? W. A. T. Wait. So one more time. How do you pronounce the word wait? The word wait here, guys. W. A. T. Wait. And the word here, she's waiting. What? She's waiting her train. Yeah, the word train here. How do you pronounce it? T. A. Train. So we have here two words, wait and train, and the sound A in the middle of the word. Okay, another word here. Look at the monkey. The monkey has a long tail. Look at the tail of the monkey, guys. Yeah. Look at the word here. How do you pronounce the word tail? Tail. Okay, and here, look, yeah, the weather here is rainy. So those are rain. Yeah, rain. The word here is rain. How do you pronounce the word rain? Rain. So tail and rain have a sound in the middle of the word. Okay, another word. Look at this little girl. She's playing a video game, but the game is over and she's going to try again. So let's find the word here, guys. The word here is again. Again. How do you pronounce the word again? Again. Okay, and now another word here, guys. Look at the picture here. The word is again. Okay, how do you pronounce it? Sound here. Again. A sound. Again, and the last sound here is And here, look at the pictures and try to guess the word here. Yeah, the word here is wait. How do you pronounce this word? Wait. Yeah, the last sound here is t. And here, look. For the sound, one more time. Yeah, it's A sound. A. Let's find the word that's inside here and let's read it together one more time. Here, let's read the word. But first, you should to pronounce each sound and then read the whole word here. Wait. Yeah. Okay, another word. rain. Okay, here a tail. Okay, and here yeah, train. And here again. Okay, guys, and now the time of our session today is over. Thank you for watching me. See you next session. Goodbye.